Hello, this is Lorenzo from Espresso, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up an annual gala dinner with Espresso. If you're planning an annual event like a gala, banquet, or an awards dinner, then this video is for you. So let's get started by entering in a title. So we'll go with Annual Gala Dinner. Next, I'm going to paste in some details so we can take a look at them together. So this is an annual gala dinner to benefit a local nonprofit, and we're going to have individual tickets as well as tables for sale. It'll take place on the evening of November 15th from 7 till 10 p.m. And then here is the pricing. So a single ticket is $150 and a table of 8 is $1,000. So those are the details that we'll work with. I'll go ahead and scroll down so that we can start setting up this event. So the date is November 15th, so I'll click on the event start date here. Then I'll use the selector to go to the 15th and then the slider to move this till 7 p.m. And then I'll click on done. Then I'll set the event end date, so again the 15th, and then I'm going to use the slider and move it till 10 p.m. and then click on done. Alright, so now it's time to set up that individual ticket. So I'll replace these details with individual ticket, and we would like to sell this up until the evening before. Alright, so November 14th, so we'll click on done. And now we'll set the price. So the price is $150, and we can clear the quantity here. And now I'd like to set up the table of 8. So what I could do is I could use the create ticket option here, but to save a little bit of time, what I'm actually going to do is use the duplicate button here. So this will actually create a copy, and you can see it reuses some of the information, so I don't have to set it again. So we'll update this to table of 8. And then what I'll do is click on the advanced icon here, which is the gear icon, and I'll scroll down. We're going to look at two fields, the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity. So this is a table of 8, which means we're going to set the minimum and the maximum to 8. Then we're going to update the price, which was copied over from $150 to $125. And the math on that is 125 times 8 gives us $1,000. Okay, so I've just set up the date and set up the tickets and the table. Now let's go ahead and set a limit for the overall event. So let's say that our venue can hold up to 75 guests. So I'll go ahead and set 75 here. And what will happen is it will allow sales, a combination of sales from the individual tickets as well as the table of 8, and then once the limit of 75 is reached, then the event will close out and no longer accept any more registrations. Okay, so that's how the limit works. So I'll scroll up and click on Save Draft. Then I'm going to open up this link here and follow it, and then we can take a look at this event over on the front end. So I'll scroll down, and here are the details. So we set up an individual ticket, which is $150, and then we have a table of 8 option. So when I click on this here, you'll see that it's enforcing that minimum and maximum limit. So if I wanted to book a table, select 8 and then click on Register Now. So that is an overview of how you can set up an annual event like a gala dinner using Espresso. Thanks.